Okay, the last one is called talk to. Okay, what is a talk to? Okay, time of check or time of use errors. So there are like two kind of errors, like at the time of checking and at the time of using over there. Okay, so it is it is relevant to the rights over there, like subject and object. Okay, so subject has the rights on that one, and object has a rights as well. So what is the subject? For example, user is a subject. What is the object? File is an object over there. Okay, so you have, like for example, you are assigned the rights. Might be you have admin rights, you have like a guest right. So it depends on you what kind of rights so you have it. So talk to is a programming flaw that involves synchronization over there, where synchronization is a problem over there. Okay, the problem this is in access control. You know about access control, maybe access control is the way that, as I told you, that some files are readable, some are editable. So sometimes you can only read, you can only read and write both. Okay, so it depends on you. This is called access control, and who can do the access control, that is also a condition over there. So typical scenario, the user requests the system to perform an action over there. So what the user do it, the user, like, they request the system to perform an action. So the system verifies the system is allowed to perform the action. They will check whether you are allowed or not. The user change the object. Okay, the system performs the operation over there. So what was checked is no longer valid when the object is accessed over there, right? So what happened, the user, they change the object over there, and then in that case what happened, what was checked is no longer valid when the object is accessed over there. So the basic thing in the talk to is that the time of check, the user has the rights, but when after checking they change it, so at the time of use they removed it. Okay, so there is a problem of the time of check and the time of use over there, right? So this is one of the vulnerability over there. So we will go for some videos as well to have some more examples for it, inshallah.